largest municipal waste companies to eliminate organic odors and make entire communities more livable. Yet, it meets the most stringent
This is the coordinated monthly test of the broadcast stations and cable television companies serving Mariposa, Merced, Madera, Fresno, Kings, and Tulare counties. Equipment that can warn you of a life-threatening emergency is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, such as severe weather, a 911 system failure, or other life-threatening condition, an official message would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
So why waste money on any product that doesn't totally eliminate the